currently the commercial manager at INEOS Tyssedal. Tyssedal is a newly acquired business into the INEOS portfolio. We purchased it in September of last year, and my current role involves managing all of the commercial functions within this business, so sales, procurement, supply chain and customer service. I applied to the INEOS Commercial Programme because I saw INEOS as a place where I could challenge myself. I'm a very curious person that enjoys solving problems, and to me, INEOS throughout the whole interview and recruitment process came across as a business that wanted to challenge the norm, that wanted to be innovative and wanted to be different. I think what the commercial programme gives you is a breadth of experience. So you don't become pigeonholed in one particular area of commercial. You really see lots of different elements that then round you in your commercial understanding. We have a very flat structure, meaning that whether you're a fresh graduate in from day one or you've been with a company a number of years, all of our CEOs, our chairman, our directors, they're all very accessible and actually want to share their experiences, particularly with young graduates, whenever they can. Sustainability is part of the day-to-day at INEOS. We have to be thinking about the challenges that we face as a society, and every single role that you go into, you will have an element that touches on sustainability, whether you're in procurement and you're auditing your supply chain to understand how they're tackling carbon emissions, or you're thinking about your sales products and what your customer needs. So Namibia is a unique challenge to INEOS, and specifically the INEOS graduates. You are taken to the oldest desert in Africa, and you run, cycle and hike over 350 kilometres in the space of 4 or 5 days. It was incredible. It was such a rewarding week. Every day there are elements of highs and lows, but what you can achieve if you set your mind to it is unbelievable. And not only to mention, you're in some of the most picturesque areas of the world. My advice in applying to the Commercial Graduate Programme is to be yourself. There is no point joining a business or a company that you're not suited to on both sides of the table. Be yourself, be natural, and you'll quickly figure out whether INEOS is the right fit.